So, welcome students. Here we have lecture number 45, chapter 12, areas related to circles. Students, in this chapter, we will discuss about new topic, areas of combinations of plane figures. So, we will solve some questions from this exercise. In previous video, I have solved exercise 12.2. Here we will solve 12.3. So, students, give attention. Question first is here. We have a circle. Okay, students, where O is center of circle. No doubt QR is diameter, and in this triangle QRP, RP and PQ are other two sides. We have to find the area of shaded portion if PQ is 24 centimeter. Students, this line PQ is 24 centimeter and PR 7 centimeter. Okay, and O is center of circle. So, students, by theorem we know that, but in this diagram it is not clear that what type of triangle is this. But we know, you have studied in class 9th that angle in semicircle is always 90 degree. So, we have QOR, this portion is a semicircle and this angle is 90 degree by theorem. We know that angle in semicircle is a right angle. Okay, students. So, if it is a right angle, then we can say triangle PQR is a right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle, if two sides are given, then we can find the third side with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So, now using Pythagoras theorem, in triangle PQR, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. You know, students, hypotenuse means QR square is equal to perpendicular, you can say PR square plus base means PQ square. After putting the values, 7 square plus 24 square, 7 7 is 49 plus 24 square, 576. I think 576. After adding these, 625. So, QR is equal to under root 625, that is 25 centimeter. So, students, here we have QR, that is 25 centimeter, and this QR is nothing but QR is a, students, is a diameter of the circle. Okay, students. So, that is QR. Yeah, what QR is diameter, which is equal to 25 upon 25 centimeter. Okay, students, write this. And similarly, we can say, students, here. So, radius is equal to diameter upon 2. So, we can write 25 upon 2 centimeter. So, students, this is the radius of this circle. Okay, and we have to find the area of shaded portion. Now, write this solution. So, now students, we have to find area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion. So, students, see here diagram. We have this shaded portion, right? And this is a part of semicircle. And students, with this diagram, we can understand that area of semicircle minus area of triangle is equal to area of shaded portion. So, we can write here area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR. Okay, if we subtract area of this triangle PQR from area of semicircle, then we can find area of shaded portion. Okay, now area of semicircle means 1/2 pi r square minus area of PQR यानी triangle 1/2 into base into height. So now 1/2 pi is 22/7 and radius of this circle is, radius will be equal to 22/7. 25/2. So this will be 25/2 whole square minus 1/2 and base you can take 24 centimeter and height may be 7 centimeter. So now students, we will solve this. 2 11 ja 11/7 into 625 upon 4 minus 2 12 ja and 12 7 ja 84. Okay students, now we can take LCM. Either we can multiply upon 28 minus 84 upon 1. Now we take LCM 28 and here it will equal to 6875 minus now 84 into 28. So students, multiply this, right? So now students, after taking LCM, it will be 2352. Okay, now if you subtract this, you will get 4523 upon 28 centimeter square. This is the answer. So by this way students, we have completed this question and I hope you have understood it, and we will solve questions like this, some more questions from your books. So write this solution, pause it and write the solution. So students, now we have question number 3rd of 12.3. question 3rd is here, and we have according to question, ABC is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and BPC are two semicircles. Find area of shaded portion. So students, in this question we have to find area of a shaded portion. So first of all we have area of square, that is side square means 14 square, that is 196 centimeter square. Now if side of square is 14 centimeter, then it means for circle, for semicircle, it is diameter. Okay, now for semicircles, CIRCLES, radius is equal to 14/2, 7 centimeter. So we have two semicircles, first and second. So two semicircle, if we combine, then we will have a circle. Now area of two semicircles is equal to area of circle, which is equal to pi r square. Pi is 22/7 and radius is 7 square. Now 22/7 multiplied by 7 into 7, subtraction cancel out, and 22 into 7, 154 centimeter square. So this is the area of two semicircles, means one circle. So okay students, now finally we will find area of shaded portion. Then write this solution. See here, this is the area of square and this is the area of two semicircles. So now we will write thus area of shaded portion, the students, area of shaded portion or part is equal to area of square minus area of two semi circles. So in write here 196, this is the area of square, minus area of two semicircles means area of circle, that is 154, and if you subtract it here this is 144. After subtracting 6 minus 4 2, 9 minus 5 4, and 1 minus 1 0 centimeter square. So I think students this is your answer. Write the solution after pausing it. So now students we have next question, question number 4. In this question two plane figures are combined. First circle and other is triangle. Triangle is an equilateral triangle whose all sides are 12 centimeter, and this is a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So we have to find area of shaded portion or shaded region. Okay. Then here students OAB is an equilateral triangle. So angle AOB is equal to 60 degree because each angle of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. Okay, and if you think about this diagram, then what portion of shaded region is common between circle and triangle? Students, this is the region which is common between circle and triangle. If we find area of circle, then this portion is included, and if we find area of triangle, then again this portion will be included. So the sector we can give name OPQ. Sector OPQ is common in both diagrams. Okay students, so we should take only one time this area, and if the area, that is sector, is coming two times, then we should subtract one times. Then we can write here thus area of shaded region is equal to first area of circle plus area of triangle OAB and minus area of sector OPQ. Think students, and it is very clear, it should be very clear conceptually. हमें फाइंड करना है एरिया ऑफ दिस होल shaded portion. वी हैव टू कंबाइंड फिगर्स, हमारे पास दो कंबाइंड फिगर है. यदि हम सर्कल का एरिया निकालते हैं तो ये इंक्लूड रहेगा सेक्टर, एंड अगर ट्राइंगल का निकालते हैं तब भी इंक्लूड रहेगा. इट मीन्स इस पोर्शन का एरिया यानी कि इस सेक्टर का एरिया टू टाइम्स इंक्लूड होगा. अगर हम उसको प्लस करेंगे तो हमारा सोल्यूशन रॉन्ग होगा. इसलिए हमें चाहिए ओनली वन टाइम्स. इसीलिए हमने पहले निकाला एरिया ऑफ सर्कल, देन निकाला एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, और एक्चुअली ये जो सेक्टर है वो टू टाइम्स इंक्लूड हो रहा है, इसलिए एक टाइम्स इसको माइनस कर दिया हमने. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम फार्मूले पुट करेंगे. पाई आर स्क्वायर एरिया ऑफ सर्कल प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल OAB, and you know this triangle is equilateral triangle, so area of triangle √3/4 into side square minus area of sector. You know area of sector pi r square theta upon 360. So student, this is the hint especially. Now you can solve also using 22/7 pi, and r square means 6 square plus root 3 upon 4 into side of triangle is 12 centimeter square minus pi 22, 7 यहाँ पहुँच गया upon 360, 7 come down to the denominator, and r square, that is 6 square multiplied by 60. Why 60? Because each angle of this this triangle will be 60 degree. Okay. So now students, 22 upon 7 into 36 plus root 3 into 144 upon 4 minus 60, 6 टाइम कैंसिल हुआ. Now write down 22 into 6 square 36 upon 7 multiplied by 6. Now we can simplify 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 4 6 जा 24. Similarly here 6 6 ja 36. Okay students, now 22 into 36 upon 7 plus 36 root 3 upon 1 minus 22 and 6 upon 7. So now students, I'll write down and here we will take LCM. 7 is LCM. Now 22 into 36 plus 7 into 36 root 3 minus 22 into 6. Now students, if you solve it, so students, we will put these two terms together. So here we can write 22 into 36 upon 7 minus 22 into 6 upon 7 and this plus 36 root 3. Now here think about both the terms. So 27 upon 22 upon 7 is common, it becomes 36 minus 6 plus 36 root 3. So it will be 22 into 30 upon 7 plus 36 root 3 and finally 0 upon 7 plus 36 root 3 centimeter square is the answer. Okay students, so write down the answer means the area of shaded portion. So the area of combined shaded portion is this 660 upon 7 plus 36 root 3 bracket close centimeter square. So students, write down the solution. Okay, so this is the answer. So students, we have question number 6. In this question, there is a table cover which is circular in shape and its radius of this cover is 32 centimeter and this cover consists of 3 designs. Okay, designs are in the shape of segment and between these this cover there is a equilateral triangle. So okay students, and we have to find the area of design. So students, we will use formula to find area of segment. Let us suppose that students here, if we have center O and these are radii, okay, so we can say that from this diagram OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to R, where R is equal to 32 centimeter. Okay students, and the angle of this triangle which is equilateral, you know, angle A here at center O, there is a complete angle, but we have three different triangles having three equal angles because triangle is equilateral. So angle AOB is equal to 360 upon 3 because we have three angles at the center. At the center there is a complete angle. So angle AOB becomes 120 degree. So we have angle and we have radius. Now we can find the areas of three segments which is in design. So now students, we can write area of design. You know, design consists of three segments. So students, we can use formula 3 into area of segment, which is equal to 3 multiplied under bracket pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 r square into sin theta. Here students, putting 3 under bracket pi 22 upon 7 multiplied by radius 32 square into theta 120 upon 360. Now minus 1 upon 2 radius 32 square and students sin 120 degree. Sin 120 degree. So here students will make you will face some difficulty to find sin 120 degree, but I would like to tell you sin 120 degree. So students, the value of sin 120 degree is, you can express it as sin 90 plus 30, and this can be written as cos 30, and the value of cos 30 is nothing but root 3 upon 2. So students, in place of sin 120 degree you will use root 3 upon 2, and after solving three 22 into 32 into 32 multiplied by 120 upon 7 into 360 minus 1 upon 2 into 32 into 32 multiplied by root 3 upon 2. Now students, write these values and I hope you will calculate to find answers. Okay students, write down. Okay students, we live here and this is to you to solve, and if you have any problem you will ask questions. Okay, now we will meet in next video, video number 46. Till then keep watching video, and if you like it subscribe the channel and solve it. Students, I hope, उम्मीद है कि आप इसको completely solve करेंगे. This is very simple, only need to simplify to get answer. Okay students, thanks, take care of yourself.